for the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, "No more riding on this shaky bus." One little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and wrecked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "Fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus." Clap, clap, clap! They fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay! All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud, "Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight." Roar, roar, it's party time. Dino sings a happy rhyme. Birthday cake is big and bright. Well, let's have fun all day and night. 5 little dinos at the party are clapping hands and feeling hearty. One big dino took a bite. Oops, the cake went flying right. Oh no, cake disaster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. 4 little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play. We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left. 3 little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. 2 little dinos fixing fast. Now this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright. One little dino proud and glad. Birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan. Maybe hide it? No, let's clean up. Good idea.
Pop, pop, bubble pop. Look who's here, it's Baby Shark. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby Shark in the ocean, blue tongue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, go, go. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy Shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy Shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma Shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa Shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby Shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby Shark waves with a smile. blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. Beep, beep, what's that sound? Dr. Shark is coming around. Sniff, sniff, cough, cough, oh no. Ocean friends are feeling low. Baby Shark puts Dr. Cap. Let me check you, tap, tap, tap. Fish is sneezing, ashoo. Dr. Shark, I need you. Check, check, what's the plan? Dr. Shark is helping fans. Stethoscope, listen slow. Don't worry, you will glow. Jellyfish says, I feel weird. All my glow has disappeared. Baby Shark gives bubble tea. Drink this now and feel free. Sip, sip, feel alright. Medicine makes everything bright. Ocean hospital on the wave. Dr. Shark is kind and brave. Crab comes running super fast.
Don't worry.
My shell is cracked. It didn't last. Dr. Shark says hold on tight. Wraps it up just right, just right. Fix, fix, patch it up. Healing magic in a cup. Clap, clap, feeling new. Dr. Shark is here for you. Octopus says I'm so confused. All my arms are feeling loose.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
Baby Shark counts 1, 2, 3. Tidy arms, now you're free. Twist, twist, all okay. Doctor saves the ocean day. Giggle, giggle, funny sight. Everything is feeling right. Suddenly big whale goes boom. Too much sneeze inside the room. Baby Shark runs super quick. Time for my big doctor trick. Gives cool sea bubble spray. Will says I feel okay. Crisis done. Dr. Shark saved everyone. Clap your fins and cheer out loud. Healthy ocean, happy crowd. Beep beep, Dr. Fun. Baby Shark has saved the sun. Sing along and don't be shy. Healthy ocean, bye, bye, bye.
We feel great now. Hooray!
5 baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here and apple a here. Yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. 4 baby sharks were swimming fast. One ate too much, tummy got blast. He couldn't swim, he felt so slow. Too much food made my belly grow. So the ocean doctor came and said, stop eating like this instead. No more snacks, no more play. Eat carefully every day. Wow! 3 baby sharks were having fun. One bit candy and started to run. But crack! His teeth got a break. Oh no, no, big mistake. So the crab doctor came and said, hey, too many sweets, go eat bread. No more candy, stop the bite. Brush your teeth both day and night. 2 baby sharks were eating chips. One slipped and hurt his lips. Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Wow! 1 baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crashed. Oh no, huss, he couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything the key. All baby sharks then learn the way. Healthy food every day. No more junk, no more fight. They swim happy day and night. Crunch, crunch, gone, lesson done. Healthy eating is so much fun. Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, looking low underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Then comes a flutter by the pane, little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. I'll lift baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Whoosh, whoosh, up they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound when stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. And star two glow and red, hello star, I see you too. And star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Floating softly through the night, baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby, moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere, magic sparkles in the air. Owl says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep, baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, breezes are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun. I wish I could out there and touch the stars shining, yippee, and touch the stars shining fair. By wolf flies into the sky, stars are glowing, passing by. Dreamy sleeps with smiles so bright, dreaming of the stars.